You're here watching this video because you either saw our video from last year where we lit up a Mustang Dark Horse, or you saw someone else on social media do the same thing. Well, today is your lucky day because we are going to give you some insight on how to do it yourself. There are 4 steps you need to take to successfully Christmas light your ride. Step 1, supplies.
So we went to Menard, we bought, I don't know if this is enough, but we're gonna load this car up with 133-foot rolls of lights. So we got
2,400 lights.
About 800 feet of lights.
We're gonna need more.
We got masking tape to tape it on. We had a converter, which apparently was run over.
We would recommend going with LED lights to draw less power.
Oh.
If you feel like giving this holiday season, we would really appreciate it if you could give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and click that bell. Step 2, plan of attack. Once you've gathered all your supplies, it's time to plan your light routing. Where are you going to plug in the lights? How are you going to get into the vehicle? These are all questions you need to ask yourself before you begin and plan accordingly. The lights will go over the entire vehicle, so you need to be strategic when laying out the lights. Our lights had plugs on only one side of the string, so they all had to start at our power source, which was through the passenger window. Step 3, attaching the lights. To attach the strings of lights, place pieces of masking tape about every foot along the string. Don't skimp on the tape. At night, you won't even see it. Try to keep a tight pattern and make sure you fill up the body panels evenly. We doubled up the lights on hard edges to help define the lines and outlines of the car. The more lights you put on, the better it will look. Avoid putting them on the windows or in the grills. Remember, you still want to know what type of car this is. Don't cover up the defining characteristics of the car you're lighting up, enhance them. The reveal. There you have it. Your car looks like one of those famous YouTubers. Now that your car looks cooler than the Rockefeller Christmas tree, it's time to take it around town and show off. Merry Christmas.